This is your Valley, addressing from SLVM School Jagbadagaram, dealing with the subject English. In this video, we are going to know about the class 4 term 1 first lesson, minor parts, grammar part. So children, now I am going with our textbook page number 8, Roman A. Listen to your teacher read section 1 and fill in the blanks. And this Roman is particularly related to our textbook. Okay children, this Roman related to our textbook story which we have read already, the mango trees. So the first one is, in the forest there was a dash of mango trees. In the forest there was a small cluster of mango trees. Second one, in the spring the branch of the mango trees were covered with dash. So in spring season the mango trees are covered with beautiful mango blossom. So the answer is beautiful mango blossom. And the third one, the flowers fell and in their place there dash began to appear. When the flowers from mango trees are fell down on that place, what will happen? The small mangoes begin to appear. We already know that small mangoes begin to appear. And the fourth one, as the mangoes grow big and ripe, they became dash. What happened children? When the mangoes become big and ripe, what will happen? Then the mangoes turn into golden yellow in color. So the fourth one answer is golden yellow in color. And the next one is, protected the people obeyed the tree god because they believed that he dashed the forest. What did the people believe about the tree god? They believed that the tree god may help them. That means that he protected the forest. So the answer of the fifth one is protected. And the next one, everyone was able to enjoy the dash because the wise animals shared it fairly. What did the people are able to enjoy? The fruit, the mango fruit, the people they are trying, they are able to enjoy it. And the next one is, read section 2 of the story on your own and tick the correct sentences. Here are some sentences, 7 sentences we have to tick the correct one. And the first one is, one day a man arrived to pluck mangoes from the tree. Yes, in the story we already learnt about that. A man came to the mango tree to pluck the mangoes. And the next one, he had come with 2 of his friends. Is it correct? No, it's wrong. And next one, he had a big sack and a small bag. Yes, it's correct. The tree god spoke to the man. Yes, the tree god spoke to the man. And the next one is, the man listened carefully to the tree god. Did the man listen carefully to the tree god? No, it's a wrong sentence. And next one is, the mangoes turned into birds and flew away. Yes, look at this picture children. The mangoes turned into birds and flew away. And the next one, the man did not get any mangoes in the end. Yes, it's also correct. The mangoes have flew away. So the man did not get any mangoes. So children, and the next Roman is Roman C. Fill in the blanks to complete the flow chart. Flow chart in the sense there is a links. There we have some links. We have to fill the links while listening carefully the lesson in a proper order. And the first hint we have is, when the mango trees in the forest were full of fruit. When there are mango trees in the forest, right? And those mango trees were full of fruit, what will happen? People and animal came to eat the delicious fruits, right? What happened children? Think once clearly. When there is a mango trees in the forest with full of fruits, what happened? The suddenly people and animals came to eat the delicious fruits. Okay, and the next one is the tree god said, eat as much as you like, but dash. What did the tree god said? The tree god said that eat as much as you like, eat yourself, like what, up to how, and how count a small number what you want. Just read that one and left and leave some for others and leave list of the fruits for others. Okay, children, and the next clue we have is the monkeys threw down the half eaten mangoes and dash. What will happen? The mangoes was plucking by monkeys, and rest of the mango will fell down, and those fell down mangoes are eaten by wild rabbits and deer, and they have to finish the rest of the mangoes. So it's clear, children. And the next one is this. Why? Because there is a connection between these two. Look at here, there is an arrow mark which indicates the connection between that one and the fourth one. Okay, children, look at here. One day a greedy man came. He wanted to. One day a greedy man came, and what did he want? He wanted to place all the mangoes in a sack of bag without leaving anything for others. He is carrying all the mangoes with him. He didn't want to keep there. He didn't want to leave the rest of the mangoes for other. That's the link. Okay, children. And the next one is he had nearly filled a sack with mangoes when he had filled all the mangoes in the bag, in a sack. Then what will happen? The mangoes will come out of the sack and started tumbling. Tumbling in the sense rolling. Rolling, and they got away. The man ran, and the next one is the man ran after them. But the mangoes, what happened? Obviously we know that the mangoes are flowing away like a bird. Then what did the man trying to do? The man trying to follow that van. Okay, but what will happen? Got away from him. The mangoes got away from him, and if they were alive and they became live, they are trying to live their life as appearing into a golden yellow oriole bird. So children, it's clear?